Eros. The Olympic jumping stallion Emerald van Ruytershof is making great progress in breeding. After a remarkable career under the saddle of Harry Smulders, he is now developing into one of world's best breeding stallions with offspring like Igor, Emerald van Voorhof, I'm Special the Moose and Alberon 111. In the pedigree of Eros, we find him paired to a half-sister of the Grand Prix show jumper Franca Trichter that was ridden by Maclean Ward. Other international Grand Prix performers which descend from this family are Born to be Picobello Z, Vent du Nord and Conscientus.